Have you ever found your way through a maze or to a new classroom? Today's word helps us travel and find directions. Welcome to Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is navigate. Can you say it with me? Navigate. Let's spell it together. N-A-V-I-G-A-T-E. That spells navigate. Navigate means to find your way or guide a path. Here are some words that mean the same as navigate. Say them with me. Steer, like turning the wheel of a bike to stay on the path. Travel, like moving from your house to the park. Guide, like showing a friend the way to the cafeteria. Explore, like checking out a new playground. Find, like locating your classroom on the first day of school. Each one shows how navigate means finding your way and moving with purpose. Now let's look at the opposites of navigate. Wander, like walking without knowing where you're going. Drift, like floating around without direction. Get lost, like not remembering how to get back home. Hesitate, like standing still, unsure of which way to go. Stop, like not moving forward at all. That's the opposite of navigating. Here's a great example. Sofia navigated through the school to find the library on her own. Quick review. Navigate means to find your way or guide a path. Synonyms: steer, travel, guide, explore, find. Antonyms: wander, drift, get lost, hesitate, stop. Navigating helps you practice problem solving while showing the way for others. Your challenge: navigate around your home or playground and guide someone else to a spot. Amazing! You navigated your way and found the right path. Keep finding your way, explorers. See you tomorrow for Word Up with Sofia.